Oh, hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Xander. Sorry, I'm just working on the next episode of Chasing the Nar. Episode 2 should be coming out shortly. We got a lot of content to go through for episode 2. Everyone seems to have really enjoyed episode 1 of Chasing the Nar. Super happy to hear about that. Poured a lot of time and effort into it. The production values for that episode were one of the most ambitious projects I've ever worked on. The number of cameras used on that production alone, the Fujifilm X-T4 I'm using, GoPro Max, GoPro 9, my DJI drone as well. So excited that you guys really enjoyed that first episode. The amount of support for it was stellar. I had a lot of people hit me up during the week saying, hey, this is one of the best ones you've come out with. And that brings joy to my heart to hear that. A lot of time and effort put into that episode, and I'm learning a lot as well. So putting forth what I've learned from each vlog I put out there and looking forward to the next one already. Like I said, episode 2 hopefully coming out real soon. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out episode 1 of Chasing the Nar season 1. You can check that out right over there. And I finally got it down. I always point to the wrong corner in these things. But more importantly, guys, we hit a major milestone over the week, and we finally we're actually over, at the time of recording, we are at 205 subscribers. Thank you so much. You know, the amount of support we've gained over the last couple months on this channel, we haven't even hit year 2. The 2-year anniversary for this channel is gonna be May of this year now, 2022. When I saw that we finally hit over 200 subscribers, I couldn't believe it. You know, the first year was all about hitting 100 subscribers, and then after that, you know, I kind of got caught up with, oh, I gotta have my CTR percentage and all these numbers. Don't mind them. Those are my dogs. Just fooling around in the back. But, you know, I got so caught up with the, okay. I've been so caught up with the numbers, and kind of lost sight of what I have control over, and that's the quality of the vlogs. Yes. You know, the last couple of vlogs, I think that's a testament to, you know, focusing on quality, audience retention, the things that matter most, story, content, information. So that's really shown some sort of success. And if there's any tips for people out there who are trying to start a YouTube channel, it's that you should focus on your content and your storytelling, and think about your audience, and think less about the numbers. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about thanking you guys. You guys made this happen. I appreciate the support. And hey, you know, I'm looking forward to the next milestone, 500 subscribers, even 1,000. But to be honest, I'm not focused too much on those numbers. I'm more focused on what I have control over, and that is delivering awesome content to you guys. So what I got in store next, I got episode 2 of Chasing the Nar coming up. That's the trip I had in Jackson Hole with the guys. I have that Yellowstone vlog, the winter snowmobiling through Yellowstone vlog coming at you soon. I've got trips lined up for Killington and Sugarbush to continue Chasing the Nar. So if anyone's going to be out there in February, definitely don't be a stranger, say hi. I've already booked flights for Colorado in March. I'm going to be looking at Winter Park, A Basin, Eldora, as well as Copper Mountain. Super excited about that. And then we'll take it from there. Got a lot of content coming your way, guys. Really thank you again for the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Catch you all on the wild side.